Asking and giving permission. Asking for permission. 1. Can I use your desk, please? 2. Can I take your chair? 3. Can I sit here? 4. Is it okay if I sit here? 5. Can I ask you something? 6. May I use your iPad? 7. Can I take a look at your project? 8. Do you mind if I turn down the AC? 9. May I come in? 10. Do you mind if I use your phone? 11. Would you mind if I open the door? 12. If you don't mind, I would like to smoke. Giving permission. 1. Sure, go ahead. 2. Yes, you can. 3. Please feel free. 4. Please, go ahead. 5. Sure, okay, go ahead. Refusing permission. 1. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. 2. You couldn't do that. 3. I'm afraid not. 4. I'm afraid, but you can't. 5. No, you cannot,